In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send and schedule emails in HubSpot. Start by opening your web browser and searching for HubSpot. Click the official HubSpot site and sign into your account using your secure login. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar. Hover there to expand the main navigation and find the marketing section. This is where HubSpot keeps your email tools along with other marketing assets. Next, select Email. This takes you to your email dashboard, where you can see drafts, scheduled messages, and previously sent campaigns. Find the email you want to send or schedule. Hover your mouse over that email and choose Edit. This opens the email editor so you can make any last-minute checks. It's a good idea to quickly confirm your subject line, preview text, sender name, and recipient list look the way you expect. If you're using personalization tokens or images, use the preview to make sure everything renders correctly. When you're ready to schedule, look to the left sidebar in the editor and click the clock icon. That opens the send options. Choose Schedule for later. This tells HubSpot you want to pick a future date and time rather than sending immediately. Select your date from the calendar. Aim for a day that aligns with your audience's habits. Midweek mornings often perform well, but use what you know about your contacts. Then choose the time. You'll see the time zone indicated, such as EDT. Make sure this matches your intended time zone so your message lands when your recipients are most likely to engage. If your account or users operate in different regions, double-check that the selected time reflects the audience's local time, not just your own. With the date and time set, click Review and Schedule. The review screen summarizes key details before you lock them in. Take a moment here to confirm the from address, subject line, recipients or lists, and any compliance requirements like a physical address in the footer. This is your safety net to catch typos or the wrong segment before anything goes out. If everything looks perfect, click Schedule. HubSpot may ask for a final confirmation, so select Schedule Email to finish. Your email is now queued to send at the exact date and time you chose. If plans change, you can return to your email dashboard later to adjust or cancel before the send time. That's it. Your HubSpot email is prepared, reviewed, and scheduled with confidence.